baby, shake it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zifis and I am back with another hair tutorial. So from the title of this video, you guys know what I'm doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this one-sided bangs, curly bangs. Yes, so I went ahead to spray my hair with water, and then I'm going into my Eco Styler gel and I'm just massaging that into my hair, because if you want to put your hair in a bun, it has to be wet so that you can easily walk through it. Okay, so guys, this tutorial is quite a very simple way to just put your hair in a bun. All right, we're not going through the walking in parts or walking in chunks method, but this method is quite easy. So after that, I'm going into my comb and I'm just combing my hair upwards, and then I'll just try to put all of that into a bun.
It's a hard cheating, hello royalty. Tell me how you been a long time, no talk, only heard about you and your friends and gist. I came across some pics.
So now that all of that looks good, I'm just trying to put up my hair into one bun, and as you see me doing, I'm just gathering everything. Then I'm going into my Denman brush and I'm just going to brush that all up, you know, to just make it sleek and fine and smooth. Okay, then I'm just going to use my rubber band, my black rubber band, to just tie all of that in one piece. Okay,
yeah, my bestie is now my ex to my XT. He's a letter to my ex, yeah. My bestie is now my ex to my XT. Oh no.
so now that that looks good, I'm just trying to make sure that I don't have any hair sticking out of my bun. Yes, then I'm going into my ratchet comb and I'm just trying to, you know, create some beautiful edges. Okay, so after that, I'm just going to make sure I don't have any leave outs again. Guys, I don't know why I keep saying okay, but I hope you guys are okay with it. Okay. So I'm going in with my satin head wrap and I'm just going to wrap that all over my hair and just make that sit for a while. Guys, I was going out for a birthday party, so I couldn't leave this to, you know, spend the night, so I just left it for about 2 to 3 hours, and that's it. Okay guys, so I went ahead to do my transformation. Guys, how do I look? I look good, right? So I went ahead to remove my satin head wrap. Then I used this crochet curl that I have. Guys, I have a video of how I got this crochet curls. I'm going to link it down below. Then I went into my braiding hair, you know, to just tie my bun again. Really, I didn't want to walk directly with my hair poking out like that, so I'm just going to create a small braid and I'm just going to wrap that around my hair just to, you know, hide it and also create a base, okay, of my bun, because what I was going in for, I didn't need my hair to be poking out like that. All right,
original, puffing on me, high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. But man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga.
So I just went ahead to wrap that all up, and then I'll go into crocheting. I really hope you guys see this process, but I have a video on how to crochet hair. Okay, I'm going to link it to down below. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking my crochet curls and I'm just going to crochet it around my bun. Okay, if you guys understand what I mean, because I was going in for a side bang and I didn't want my the hair on my bun and the hair on my side bangs to be different, so I just wanted to be consistent. So I just went ahead to just crochet some of that hair around that bangs, around my bun, sorry. So that's what I'm just doing right now, guys. I'm just crocheting the curly hair around the bun.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yacht, say she give me in a yacht. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the pillow wine, say she give me filmer wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me, y'all say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what's.
So after doing all of that, I'm just going ahead to separate the hair so that it looks more fluffy and more full. Okay.
Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my friends.
Then after doing that, I'm just going to wrap all of that into my bun, into one piece. I told you guys I wanted to be consistent. Then I'll go right ahead into crocheting the front part of my hair to create my side bangs. Okay, and guys, I think that's pretty much it about this video, so you guys should just watch and enjoy.
You know, them bomb like them are watching. They're free about it. Bad man, what you say? Standard.
Talk only heard about you and your friends and gist. I came across some pics, it made me feel something, and I thought I should put it in a song just to say hello to my ex. Aji, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. Life has been over, but I'm pushing hard, yeah. I hear you want for bush, girl, I'm very glad for you. Hope you fell in love with a better man. Person will go give you all the things you like, yeah. I still pray for you, oh nothing but the best for you. It's a letter to my ex, yeah. My bestie is now my ex to my ex. It's a letter to my ex, yeah. My bestie is now my ex to my ex. Oh no. Long time no see. Remember how we used to be in love, it was just you and me. We used to spend my school fees, then we Netflix and chill there.
So after crocheting, I went back into my Eco Styler gel and just slicked back the poke outs that I had, like the hair that I had coming out there. Guys, this was happening because I didn't actually cover this hair for a long period of time. Like I told you guys, I told you guys, I left it for a few hours. So right now I'm trying to separate the hair, like to make the hair look more fluffy. All right, and I think that's it. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it.
Long time no see. Remember how we used to be in love, it was just you and me. We used to spend my school fees, then we Netflix and chill there. But life had a way of telling us.
So guys, right now I'm basically just trying to make my hair look more fluffy and big. Okay, then I'm going to go into my scissors and just trim out the longer hair that I have there. Like I felt like it wasn't really uniform, So you guys see how I'm trimming it. I'm not just trimming it like straight, I'm doing some sort of slanty trim, okay, just so that it looks nice and uniform and smooth. All right, so I'm just going to trim that part that I have there, okay, and I'm just going to go ahead to arrange the hair, you know, just put it in a way that is going to suit my face. And guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Please make sure you click the subscribe button, comment, tell me what you think about this hair, and do not forget to like, share. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.
It's now my ex to my ex T. It's a letter to my ex, yeah. My bestie, it's now my ex to my ex T. Oh, no.